Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. So all you have to do is go to your Nintendo Switch, turn it on, go to that Nintendo Switch App Store. Once you're in that App Store / Game Store, all you want to do is go over to the search and you just want to write in Fortnite. Once you type in Fortnite, there's only going to be one option, and this is going to be it. Just tap on it, click on the free download, and you should be able to download Fortnite for your Switch. Now, it is going to be 16 gigabytes big, so make sure you have enough storage for that, and you can play it on TV mode, tablet mode, or handheld mode. Does not matter. However you want to play it, you can play it. So, there you have it. That's about it. Just go to your Nintendo Game Store, search for Fortnite, download it. It's as simple as that. You don't have to pay or do anything else. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.